Right folks, video is uploading, nearly. God, one of the Osmos switched into 4K yesterday by accident. No, I'm never doing that again, took an hour to export. Oh yeah, you know I'm going up the mountain again. Should have just stayed up there. Oh well. Right, managed to park in the same spot as yesterday. Winner. Let's go spend the best £20 I've ever spent. This is that big slope that we were looking at from the car park last night. Right folks, back down now. Oh, knackered again. I don't think I'm going to go back up today, can't be arsed. Still worth 20 quid, was up there for a couple of hours. So I think I'm going to move off today though, and go find somewhere else. Because I don't really want to be up here at the weekend. I imagine it's going to be rammed considering how good the snow is and how good the weather is. But looking at the forecast, I think it's going to shit it down with snow all of next week. So I might even come back. Marie's on about coming up in a couple of weeks, so maybe can come up here and do some skiing and there'll be some fresh snow. Who knows? I am sufficiently satisfied for a little bit though. It was fucking, brilliant. I recommend everyone to come and do that. And even when the car park's rammed, it's not overly busy on the slopes. You don't feel pressured like Chamonix was. I mean, obviously they don't really compare in the grandness of it all, but Chamonix was so busy, especially when you just starting, kind of intimidating. You feel like you're going to get crashed into all the time. So, but this is my entire skiing knowledge, Chamonix or Le Tour specifically, and this place. So probably don't listen to me. Right, I'm going to head back down to that other car park. I'll stay there again tonight, make the most of it. Pretty cracking spot. So I was going to head down to Aviemore, but I think I'll do that tomorrow because I'll fill up the fuel tank again, and they've got an Audi there, so I'll dip in there, get a couple of bits and bobs, and then find out where we're going next. I feel like I need a nap. Knackered. Just admiring the mega view. We'll have to get ourselves right out in the middle of nowhere at some point soon. Quite happy with how the skiing went, to be honest. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than that. I only fell over once, and that's because I lost my balance standing still. Good fun. I'm glad I went. Can't really keep going because obviously I know it's only £20, but £20 a day soon adds up, doesn't it? So I'm all skied out now for a little bit. See what it's saying after all this snow comes down this week. I might go north a bit and northwest, get over that side again. It's a bit more out of the way, ain't it? I definitely want to revisit Glencoe and all that area because I didn't spend enough time there. And I wouldn't even mind getting right up and doing some fishing again, to be honest. Free food. But we'll see. We might get up there, see how it goes. Like I say, I'm not going to be bombing around, spanking all my fuel again this time. It's going to be a bit more slow paced and just enjoy it, which is exactly what I'm doing right now, because this view is absolutely ridiculous.
You're up in the sky, I'll carry you home, home to the mountaineers. And soon, my friend, you'll see them again. ones you left behind, the ones you left behind, and I'll sing for you all the way home. But why does it feel like home isn't home? I've been in this war too long. It's in the air that I breathe, oh, it's in the trees. It shivers down my spine. It shivers down my spine. I just sing my song as I walk through the gate. And there she stands just like before, but she doesn't look the same. The fear in her eyes, I've seen it before, and she can't recall my name. No, she can't recall my name. And so I sing to her as I fall on.
God, it's getting cold out, folks. It's already 0 degrees, so God knows what it's going to go to later on. I have to get the drone up. I'll use it for a little bit. But yeah, it's all good. No matter how cold it gets, I'm here in my little cabin with my wood burner. Oh, sunset's going mega. I've got a time lapse going, so I'm guessing you will have seen that by now. Tell you what, the sunsets up here ain't half something special. Jesus. Just want to talk quickly about stickers. There's a big load gone out today, so most of you should get them. I'm getting quite a few messages from people saying they've not arrived yet and things like that. Now, if it's from weeks ago, then fair enough, you know, drop me a message, let me know, because if it's got lost in the post or something like that, I'll send a new one out, no problem. But if it's like a week ago or less than a week, I'm not Amazon Prime, I'm not next day delivery, I'm just a guy. Like, it's hard to keep up with this kind of thing and make videos and live my life as well. It's not a one-click next day delivery service, I'm afraid. You know, there's not a lot I can do about that. I'm doing my best, but there's quite a few people as well that haven't put their address. I have just found most of them, but the problem is what happens, people will message me on Instagram, and especially Instagram, when someone new messages me, it goes into message requests and I don't even get a notification. You can probably imagine how many of these I get, and to try and keep up with that is impossible, to be honest. That, the channel comments, normal Instagram messages, emails, texts, like, there's only so much I can do. Now, I'm not ignoring people, okay? I'm just not a god. Like, I'm one guy. I've actually had to get someone to help me with this sort of send out this time, because there was quite a lot of them. Obviously I got the new stickers and everything, so I needed help to actually get them all out quickly. But like I say, I'm doing my best, and I do apologise if you've not had yours yet. There's a few that I can't find, so I'm just going to fire off a couple of names, obviously no personal details, and if you could send me an email, if you actually want a sticker, I assume you do, if you've sent a £5, if you could send me an email to ash_pollard@hotmail.co.uk with your address and the date that you bought the sticker, so I can find the thing on PayPal, then I'll get it out to you. But please, 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 I mean, this is completely my fault. I know it's a pain in the arse having to do it this way. This isn't like a shop thing, you know. This isn't me starting up a business selling stickers. The idea behind it was always it was like a £5 fuel token to help me put diesel in this, and the sticker is a byproduct of that I essentially give you for free. That's the kind of mentality. That's why I did it this way. But that does require you to you need to manually enter your address, where you can give a note to the person you're sending money to. You put your address in there. I will sort out a better system at some point. But right now, that's what I've got. So that's what we've got to deal with. Victoria Priest, Michaela Thomas and Colin Woods. So they're the 3 that are missing. So if you could send me an email with your address, and I will get them out to you ASAP. Obviously, massive appreciation to everyone that has bought one, because it is, you know, it's fueled me to get up here, and it helped like towards the MOT and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, massive thank you to everybody. Sorry folks, I nearly went bed and didn't finish the video. Nothing else to report today. I've just been chilling out all evening, really, resting after 2 days of leg abuse. You wouldn't believe, people that don't ski, you wouldn't believe how much it actually does you in, even after just a few hours. How the hell I ski toured up that mountain in Chamonix, I have no idea. But yeah, anyway, let's see what tomorrow brings. I shall see you then. Catch you in a bit.